So here we are. I am feeling like getting ready for fall, like starting to ramp up. It's the end of July and I'm just like, I'm ready for all the fall vibes. So I grabbed a few things. I also this week darkened my hair. So we're ready. We're ready for fall. I love doing like fresh things for the computer too. I just like feel more motivated when I have something fresh. And also we're gonna do some nails today while the little nugget's sleeping. So first thing I got is, here we go. Try not to get a glare for you. Epic, right? Like absolutely amazing. Also, come give a shout out to the skin. Like I just got out of the shower. I don't even think there's a lotion on my skin. So anyway, doing good here. Also, to like kind of match, it kind of matches, right? Like gold on the keyboard. These keyboard covers are like epic because it never fails that I'm eating the snacks while I'm working. And this one's gold, so. And they wear out. They're like, you just like wear a letter out or whatever. So you just buy a new one, it's like $7. Okay, so I think we're gonna go sit down and do some Harry Potter nails, listen to a podcast. These are the best press-on nails ever. You can do whatever you want and they are not gonna pop off. The little nugget and I decide to dive into our Harry Potter craft and activity book and do the Harry Potter float. What do you think?
This one or this one or this one?
Oh, we're gonna make this one right here.
So you'll make this recipe by chopping up strawberries, putting them in a saucepan, and adding your water and sugar. Bringing that to a boil and then letting it simmer for a few minutes. That's going to make like this nice, delicious, chunky strawberry base that you're going to use for your float. The official recipe says to put this in a blender, but I was thinking that the little soup emulsifier thing, I'm not calling that the right name, would actually work just as good. I was wrong. It pretty much sprayed it all over the kitchen. So I would pour it into the blender and do the blender like the recipe recommended.
Can I have a little bit
Smell it.
more? They like chocolate. This one like that.
Okay. I'm tasty.
No.
Okay, Dad.
Chocolate. Lamp. Behind full one.
Yep.
Oh,
All right,
it'll chip out.
I know. Move your fingers just in case this splatters because this part's hot. There we
That
go.
part's hot. Hot.
Now we just want this to cool down.
Cool down your body.
That's right.
Cool down.
Cool it down. Okay.
Hey, I'm having. Wait, this side.
Huh?
I'll just get it. Wow. Okay, good. Big ice cream.
All right. Put one scoop in that glass. Whoop.
Well, that's good. Well, that's good.
Okay. That one's for this
I
glass.
want some more. I want some more.
Okay. Now we got to do our fizzies.
I want some more.
Are you ready?
Kappa. What do I give? What am I getting for?
Whoa! It is getting full. Woo! Okay. Woo!
What?
This is gonna go. Oh no!
What?
All right, let's do a cheers. Ready?
It's gonna pop up.
Okay, careful. We are cheers like this. Cheers!
It's time to sit down and go ahead and meal plan for the rest of the week. So, my top tips for meal planning are to number one, look at your calendar. See what your family's got going on for that week. See what nights you're going to be out late and what nights you might have more time. Then maybe like hit your Pinterest board, my Pinterest board, gather your inspiration for what you want to cook for the week. And I love making double of dinner and using that for lunch recipes the next day. So I would look at my calendar, see what nights we're going to be out late, and make a crock pot dish for that night or do something simple like sandwiches. So I go ahead and write out what I'm going to do. I also love like a make ahead breakfast, like a parfait or egg bites. You can find both of those recipes on my Pinterest as well. So I'm just writing everything out. That way I feel prepped for the week ahead. There's nothing that stresses me out more. Well, that might be an exaggeration, but it really stresses me out when I do not have food planned for the week, and just trying to grab something last minute, especially with a toddler, is not easy. To wrap up the day, I decided to draw out an autumn bucket list that the little nugget and I will do. So just ideas to make this season extra special. And then I make one stop. I was able to have a few minutes and stop by the Harry Potter section at Barnes & Noble. I had actually never been there before, and so it was such a treat to just go and have a few minutes to look. And I did end up getting one special treasure for myself, which I will show you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.